Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the SCCM 1902 hotfix rollup. Yes, there's another hotfix update for the 1902 version of SCCM. So there's been some issues. So I wanted to highlight a few of those right here. So the hardware inventory data relies on the MSFT physical disk report. It's incomplete info on computers with multiple disks. The OSD download.exe process quits unexpectedly. The MP messages are not updating correctly regarding software updates. The dialog box for the computer restarts does not show again if the dialog box is closed before the deadline is reached. Expired enhanced HTTPS certifications are not that are used for the DP are not updated automatically. Just to highlight a few bugs that came with the 1902 update. I will put a link in the description for the entire list of everything all of the issues that are associated with the 1902 version of SCCM. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and update your system with the hotfix. So we're going to bring in the SCCM console. As you can see right here, there's the 1902 hotfix. As you can see, it's already ready to install. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the I'm going to go ahead and this time I'm just going to install the update pack. It's going to run a prerequisite check. I know I typically like to use this first, but this is just a hotfix. It shouldn't be that big a deal. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to go ahead and say ignore any, actually I don't want to ignore it. I want to see if there's any issues. Go ahead and do that. Okay. The default there. We're going to accept the terms. And we'll go next. And close. So it'll start go through the process of installing. Let's go to monitoring. It may take a minute or so to reach over there. Yeah, it takes a second. This is the old. Eventually it'll pop up in here. But if you wanted to look at a log file, you'd want to go to this log file, and there's also a CM update log file as well that you want to look at. So it goes through. Okay, there's a warning. See today, oh, that's not today. That was last month, okay. Let's kind of go look at the other log file. There's a CU update. That's a command line. There it is. It's the log file that I was talking about. It does take a moment to open. While I'm waiting for that, let's see if this thing shows up here. There we go. And we go show status. And it'll tell you what it's doing at the moment. So it's doing some things. It hasn't started a lot of things yet. These are all the things that it's going to be doing at this point. So this will take some time to do. So I'm going to let it do its thing and be right back. And as you're installing the hotfix, you'll notice this at the top, a new version of your console is available. You can even click on install the new version here, where you can close the console and it'll upgrade on its own. So let's just do a refresh here to see all things are going here. Yay, it's installed. So it was a hotfix, that's why you didn't really need to do a prerequisite. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install new console version. I'm going to do it from here. Now there obviously was some issues. Let's see what we have here. Okay, that's fine. Nothing really major. So as again, if I would have closed the console, I would have done this part anyways. So now you can click within the console to go ahead and update it. So it's going to update here and launch when it's done. Now with this update, you will need to upgrade your SCCM agents, and I would suggest updating your boot images as well. Actually, you won't need to update your boot images in this case. So it's just update you're going to have to push out the newest version of the agent. So I've talked about how to do that in the previous videos, but so that's basically all you need to do. And hopefully with this hotfix, it will resolve a lot of your issues that you're having if you're experiencing those issues as I mentioned earlier in the video. And again, I will provide a link to that document in the description in the comments section. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. There's going to be a lot more content coming your way. I've got the Windows 10 deployment series coming up. That's almost done. I've got another video coming tomorrow on a couple main topics. And again, there's going to be a lot more reporting, dashboards and stuff like that coming your way. So stay tuned. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.